But with quite a lot to do, Daniel and his builder Ant are keen to get a jump start on the bathroom, which means getting an early subfloor inspection.
Hey, lads.
Howdy, Keith. How you going?
Good, you after a floor inspection?
Just before we wanted to go too far, we were just trying to get a bit of a pre-check so we could find out whether you're happy with it or not.
Bit premature yet, isn't it? This isn't really ready for an inspection yet. I need everything in place so I can actually see it.
Well, I do have a couple of blocks to put on, just in under here.
Hey, mate, you put a bit of weight on.
And I was like, what? What are you on about?
Before shutdown, Daniel celebrated his loss by making a new notch on his belt.
Bloody pants keep falling down. I've been getting looked after by Light and Easy and shredding the kilos. It's time for another hole. Here we go. Yeah, just a little bit. Come back the same weight as when I come over here, mate. So, a lot of tractor driving back home for me.
After weeks in lockdown, this is a problem that most of Australia can identify with. But that's not helping Daniel feel any better about it.
Good old Keith. Didn't miss him, that's for sure.
No.
It just bugged him, mate. It really got under my skin straight away.
Did you want to say anything like that back?
Nah.
How's the put on weight comment?
He didn't look in the mirror before he got dressed this morning, did he?
Yeah, exactly.